Mike, innovative door. Kind of loud in here. Had to replace this busted up hinge, and the mount on the opener was cracked as well. You can see I put that piece of angle. It goes over the top of the section. Watch, it goes right in between the trolley. Right there. Beautiful, huh? Just like Mom used to make. So that's it. Commercial spring job done. Got like a 12 by 14 here. We do all these on industrial jobs all the time. Give us a call, 630-271-9343. Visit us online at www.innovativegaragedoor.com. 650 Ogden. There it is again. Goes up great. And thanks for watching our commercial repair garage door video. And as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching.